Which is an even number? Option A 13, B 17, C 20, D 15. What comes just after 39? Option A 40, option B 38, option C 37, option D 47. How many ones in the number 17? Option A 7, option B 10, option C 17, option D 1. Which number is between 58 and 60? Option A 57, option B 56, option C 59, option D 61. Which number comes before 33? Option A 34, option B 35, option C 31, option D 32. Which of these is not a 2D shape? Option A square, option B triangle, option C circle, option D cube. Which shape is used in traffic signs like yield? Option A square, option B triangle, option C circle, option D cube. A television screen is usually in the shape of a option A square, option B triangle, option C circle, option D rectangle. A dice is made up of which 2D shape on each side? Option A square, option B triangle, option C circle, option D rectangle. Which of these is not a flat shape? Option A triangle, option A square, option B triangle, option C cone, option D rectangle. What is 11 plus 7? Option A 11, option B 15, option C 17, option D 18. What is 8 minus 3? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 7, option D 5. If you have 10 cookies and you eat 2 of them, how many are left? Option A 4, option B 7, option C 8, option D 7. Find the value of 15 less 5. Option A 5, option B 15, option C 7, option D 10. What is 12 minus 4? Option A 8, option B 11, option C 7, option D 10. Which is earlier, breakfast or lunch? Option A lunch, option B dinner, option C breakfast, option D both at same time. Your friend comes to your house at 5 o'clock and you arrive at 6 o'clock. You are option A early, option B on time, option C late, option D sleeping. What comes before 8 o'clock? Option A 9 o'clock, option B 10 o'clock, option C 11 o'clock, option D 7 o'clock. What time do most children sleep at night? Option A 9 o'clock, option B 3 o'clock, option C 1 o'clock, option D 5 o'clock. Which of the following shows an activity done early in the morning? Option A watching TV, option B having breakfast, option C going to bed, option D brushing teeth. Which of these is the highest value Indian currency note? Option A 500, option B 100 rupees, option C 50 rupees, option D 20 rupees. A bottle of juice costs 20 rupees. You have a 50 rupees note. How much change will you receive? Option A 50 rupees, option B 20 rupees, option C 30 rupees, option D 70 rupees. A cricket bat costs 100 rupees. You have one 50 rupee note and two 20 rupees note. Do you have enough money? Option A yes, option B no, option C you have exactly 100 rupees, option D you have more than 100 rupees. What is the total value of one 20 rupee note, one 10 rupee note and one 5 rupee coin? Option A 35 rupees, option B 25 rupees, option C 40 rupees, option D 30 rupees. You have 25 rupees. You buy a pack of biscuits for 10 rupees and a chocolate for 5 rupees. How much money is left? Option A 10 rupees, option B 15 rupees, option C 20 rupees, option D 30 rupees. To measure how tall a person is, you would use a tool that measures option A weight, option B capacity, option C length, option D temperature. You need to fill a large bathtub. Which would be the most efficient way to measure the water? Option A with a tablespoon, option B with a small cup, option C with a bucket, option D with an eyedropper. A 1 kilogram bag of rice is heavier than a 1 gram paperclip. Option A true, option B false, Option C, they have the same weight. Option D, it depends on the color of the rice bag. What comes next in the pattern? Star, moon, dash. Option A, sun. Option B, moon. Option C, star. Option D, planet. What is the missing number in the sequence? 10, 8, 6, 4, dash. Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 2. Option D, 0. What comes next in the pattern? Red, blue, green, red, blue, dash. Option A, yellow. Option B, red. Option C, blue. Option D, green. What is the next number in the pattern? 1, 2, 1, 2, dash. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 0. There are 6 apples in a basket. You take out 3 apples. How many apples are left in the basket? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 0. What is the number that comes just before 10? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. Option D, 11. A mouse is smaller than an elephant. A cat is smaller than a mouse. Is the cat smaller than the elephant? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, they are the same size. Option D, you cannot tell. A square has 4 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. How many more sides does a square have than a triangle? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. You have 3 packs of gum. Each pack has 5 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum do you have in total? Option A, 8. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 20. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are in 2 weeks? Option A, 14. Option B, 7. Option C, 21. Option D, 28. You want to buy a book that costs 45 rupees. You have a 20 rupees note and two 10 rupees notes. Do you have enough money? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, you have exactly 45 rupees. Option D, you have more than 45 rupees. Which is the same amount as 10 plus 10 plus 10? Option A, 30. Option B, 10 into 2. Option C, 10 into 10. Option D, 10 plus 3. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like this video, then like the video and share with your friends. Keep learning, keep studying, keep practicing with us. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.